AI, often referred to as artificial intelligence, which is a simulation of human intelligence, especially computer systems, is gaining substantial attention in the tech industry recently. And due to this, I decided to try it out, and I was really shocked with the kind of feedback I was getting. Let's dive deeper. In today's world of AI, when we speak of them, there are two popular ones which is mostly spoken about, which is ChatGPT and Bing. Well, in today's video, we are going to be testing out these two assistants, ask it to perform commands I throw at it, then we analyze the way they present it, and I'll explain some few factors and what I like about them, then we'll proceed. We'll begin with ChatGPT and let's get into it. Okay, so number one, assignments. Now, previously, before I got used to the AI, I had to search up the question on Google, and if there are any similar questions like that, it gives me the solution, and I have to use my mind to, collaborate with what I have and what I have on Google and try and fixing something there. But with AI, it just goes straight to the answer. Most of the ones I've searched on this platform were actually accurate and really, really well presented. Number two, summarizing of essays. Now we are moving on to English. Well, in my English class, I was given a short essay to go and summarize. Now here's how I did it. So it was printed on a paper and it was shared around for us to take a picture of it and go home and we copy. So I did that exactly. Then I went home. Then I used Google Lens to scan the text, copied it onto my notes or any notes application, whatever. Then what I did is I copied it from notes straight onto the AI and I just gave it to it that, summarize this passage for me, and it did exactly what I was expecting. And the presentation was actually not bad. Now, number three, scripting of a video. Now, if you have realized lately, most of my YouTube shorts videos were all scripted by ChatGPT. For example, the video where I spoke about the Apple Vision Pro. Maybe you might not realize in the video, but try searching that kind of command on ChatGPT and try and compare your results of the scripts that they give you together with the words I mentioned. I made some few changes to it, but just try that and see. And you realize that my words I delivered were scripted by an AI. And now after doing the script, I edited some parts out, added my own knowledge since AI won't have every kind of information I would need. Then the best part about the scripting is it even suggested a kind of video to show at a specific point of the video, and even what the host should say, what the main maybe interviewer, or how do you even say it, if you get what I'm trying to say. Well, the AI does a really good job when it comes to scripting of videos, but it only fails to do its job when it has less information about that specific item or place you are telling it to script the video about. Now let's jump straight into Bing. I always had a specific picture I always imagined myself as an ambition. If you get me, only if you get me. Well, I told Bing to do something for me. So this is what I did. I told Bing that, generate a picture of a CEO giving a speech at a very big tech conference or tech, expo or something, if you get what I'm trying to say. And it did exactly what I wanted. So in 3, 2, 1, we review the picture. 3, 2, 1. This was what Bing gave me. Well, it's not bad. Actually, this is kind of what I was picturing. The pictures were two. Someone told me this one actually looks like Elon Musk. But well, I can't see that. But if it's true, then maybe from how I see it, it's different. It's differently shown. Yeah. But these two pictures are actually generated by AI, and it was exactly what I delivered. Even look at the device this guy is using. You could clearly see that this looks like the future of technology. Well, that's really, really impressive. Well, I really like these two pictures and I'm going to save it. You can also try it out for yourself. Well, AI keeps surprising me with its capabilities every day. With what it holds for the future, I have no idea, but I'll leave it for you in the comment section down below. So let's talk down there. Well, thanks for watching this video. and I'll be with you in the next one.